stock, crypto, credit, moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another update on Wealth Pond. This will be short. So I've taken all my links to sign up for Wealth Pond off my channel. Officially in my book, they have exit scammed. Thank you, Ms. Moore, for letting me know exactly what happened with you. So I'm no longer recommending Wealth Pond. They're holding funds now. And that's why I always advise you guys to invest what you can afford to lose in any of these platforms. I'm in it with you guys. I'm no exception. They're holding 625 from me. Actually, it's just 500 because I deposited 5 and I withdrew 637. So I was lucky enough to get out without losing anything. But that's the risk that we accept when we put our funds in any of these platforms. We don't know the day or the hour that they'll leave. So guys, just make sure you're putting what you can afford to lose. And we don't want this to become stressful. We want this to be enjoyable. So yeah, definitely I won't be promoting Wealth Pond any further. In my opinion, it's a scam, and they've left the building. They're holding funds, and that's all I really can say. Just make sure you're protecting yourself, and make sure you're taking profits out of all these platforms when they're available. They win when you reinvest. Make sure you can get your initial deposit out as soon as you can, and then it's house money, it's fun then. So I'm gonna stop on this video. There's not anything else further to really say. Invest wisely. Take care of yourself. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and until next time, signing off.